This is my glue up workstation, and for epoxy, it's super glue and everything. And up until now, I've just been using like try to protect my desktop a little bit. Been using these thin cutting boards with a piece of paper, scrap piece of paper on there, so I can switch out the piece of paper when they get glue on them. And the epoxy doesn't come off of these cutting boards, though. It really sticks on there. It doesn't come off easily. Or super glue from that. So, went to my local Ace Hardware to support local stores. Try to find some silicone mats, but like baking mats, because they're really good for when you're working with epoxies or glues, because stuff doesn't stick to them. But they didn't have any, so I went to the local Amazon website and got an Amazon Basics pad. And what's really nice about this is it sticks to the table, it doesn't move around. That's a good thing, because when you're working on stuff you don't want it to slide. That's nice. And then I can still use a clean piece of paper on top, which also sticks and doesn't slide around. Very nice for doing my epoxy and glue up work. So here are some epoxy cartridges, DIY epoxy cartridges we're going to talk about later, where I'm putting G-Flex epoxy in those cartridges myself so that I can have these, I don't have to mix by hand, I can use a mixing syringe to mix the epoxies. Static mixer. That's it. I'll report back on how well this is working later.